How do people usually perceive Sigma men? They are frequently perceived as self-conscious, restrained, quiet, and solitary. They dislike social gatherings and parties, and they do not want to hang out with a large group of people because they do not have many friends. They prefer careers that allow them to be alone and independent. They are self-aware, but they are also interested in getting to know other people. They are frequently misjudged because they are cold or downcast. The real person may be very different from how most people perceive a Sigma person. But what exactly are Sigma men? They prefer less energizing environments and require more time to recharge. Men with this personality devote all of their energy to their inner selves. They are content with their own skin and do not seek validation from others. Happiness comes from within them, not from the outside world. Here are a few indicators to look for when identifying a Sigma. They will not have many friends, but will be content with one or two carefully chosen ones. It's not that they dislike people, it's just that they prefer a few genuine ones to a slew of phony ones because they are less talkative and not rude. You will think they are rude and arrogant when you first meet them. However, as you get to know them, you will realize that your presumption was incorrect. Sigma men may take time getting to know you before opening up. They do not follow the herd. Instead, they forge their own routes and create their own journeys. They do not follow fashion trends, rather, they dance to their own beat. Whereas some people feel invigorated after going out to parties, Sigma men find social interactions to be energy sapping. Even if they are seen at a party, you will notice them staring at the clock, waiting for an opportunity to sneak out and enjoy their solace. People believe that Sigma men are socially awkward, that they should be evaluated psychologically and seek counseling regardless of how strange they appear. They do not require repair or treatment. They are who they are, and nothing can change that. Sigma men have some distinct personality traits and are reserved and quiet. These characteristics make them enigmatic to those around them. These certain characteristics of Sigma males make them extremely appealing. Number 1. They are excellent listeners. Those who dislike speaking are excellent at listening. Their friends adore them for this trait. They will listen if you have a story to share or need a secret to be kept. You can always go to your Sigma friend if you need someone to laugh with or someone to cry on. Number 2. They are concerned. They are very caring and loving, even if they do not know how to express this. People around them notice how generous they can be. They will be there for you when you need them. Because of their caring nature, they are their friends' first point of contact in times of need or trouble. Number 3. They provide the best company. Sigma men are themselves around everyone, and they never act or say anything fake. They provide excellent company and people enjoy being around them. They will be delighted to spend some quality time with you if you share common interests and are not looking for attention. They are admired for their intellect and best advice. Number 4. They are deep thinkers. Sigma men spend the majority of their time thinking because they prefer to be alone and quiet. This self-absorbed and self-centered appearance attracts those seeking adventure. People want to learn more about them and discover their hidden characteristics. Number 5. They are more personal. Because they prefer to commit to one person at a time, it is easier for them to enter into a long-term, serious relationship than several one-night stands. In their romantic relationships, they can be more intimate than they appear to be. Number 6. They are devoted. It is difficult for Sigma males to become intimately familiar with a large number of people. They are very picky about who they allow to come near them and who they like to be friends with. Despite the fact that their circle of friends and loved ones is small, they are very loyal to them and will always be by their side through the ups and downs of life. They make honest and loyal romantic partners and will never cheat on you and betray their true loves. Number 7. They like challenges. Many people enjoy daily difficulties as if they were solving a puzzle, dreaming big dreams, and figuring out difficult people. The more Sigma men want to stay in their shell, the more appealing they can become to others who seek challenges. No matter how calm, geeky, or serious a Sigma man appears on the outside, once you get to know him, he will be charming and can be sensual. They have their own world, and if you are permitted to enter it, you will be amazed at how beautiful it is on the inside. They say and do things that draw people in like a magnet. Knowing them is the key, and with this key, you can unlock a new world of mysteries. Thanks for watching. If you like our stuff, subscribe for more motivational content. See you in the next video of The Generous.